Beauties. So this is an interesting look, I'm sure. But today we're doing something a little bit different. So we're filming in my bathroom, probably why you can hear a more echoey sound. I have to be kind of careful because I know everything that I touch in here, I move in here, is going to be so much louder on camera. And I'm sorry if the lighting and the angle is a little bit messed up. I've tried literally a million angles, maybe not literally, but figuratively a million angles. I just can't get it right because I'm using my tiny camera instead of my big camera. My big camera will not fit in here with the tripod. So I'm using my tiny camera, my tiny tripod, and this bathroom is so small, I just can't find any other way to do this video. So today we are trying out this amazing new product. It is from Divulge Beauty and it is called an Enzyme Mask. And it says exfoliant for all skin types. So this mask actually needs to sit on my skin for 5 to 10 minutes. So I figured while we are waiting basically for this mask to sit there and kind of, you know, develop, that I would just put it on first, show you guys how to do that, and then we'd go from there. So I'm gonna explain to you guys all the benefits that this offers while I have the mask on. But first, I just want to show you guys, I have very, very deep, there's some mascara under my eyes, I just woke up, but I have some very, very deep, very, very clogged pores, as well as some acne scarring and just all around kind of like dry, flaky skin. Like it looks so much more aged than I am, so it's not good. So this is supposed to help. So it comes in a jar of powder. This is what the jar looks like. And then we open it up and that's what the powder looks like. Now they said you can mix this in your hands. However, I'm pretty bad at doing that. So I got this little coaster and I'm gonna put just a little bit of this in there. You don't need too much. So we're just gonna add like a pinch. Oops. Okay, it's a little bit much, but we'll make it work. So you wanna put it in there and then you wanna add hot water. Water has to be hot for the enzymes to work. So like I said, the water has to be hot or warm for it to work. So I have my water in here and I have my powder in here. And I'm gonna mix this together with my fingers. And I mix it until it's like an even paste. Okay, it's pretty well mixed now. You can see it has basically an even consistency. Okay, it's pretty smooth now. So I'm gonna apply this all over my face. I feel like we have a good amount on our face. Okay, now this says it needs to be on for 5 to 10 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set my alarm for 5 minutes and we're gonna see where we're at in 5 minutes. If I think we need 5 minutes more, we'll try 5 minutes more. In the meantime, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about this product. Probably a question that you all have, which I also had, is why is this mask in powder form? And it's to keep the ingredients at its most potent form and doesn't use any preservatives, which is really nice. Preservatives are bad. You don't want to put preservatives on your face. So basically, the reason why you need warm or hot water is because that's how you activate these enzymes. And these enzymes, what they pretty much do is they dissolve the top layer of dead skin on your face. Now I know that sounds gross, but it's actually awesome. So like they get rid of all this dead skin that's just building up, clogging more pores, basically just making you look old and crusty, and it's dissolving them to leave your new fresh baby skin. And it also exfoliates your skin, and it's not rough like most, you know, sandy type of salt exfoliators. And they don't use harsh chemicals, which is really nice. Almost all the ingredients are just natural ingredients. It also loosens up blocked pores, which I'm very excited to see. Like I'm definitely excited to see if my pores look opened, they look less dark. And it says it makes post-acne scars less visible. I have a lot of that too, so I'm excited to see if it works well with that. And I'm sure it does if it removes the top layer of dead skin. So, and as for the ingredients, it has ingredients like oat protein, which moisturizes, reduces redness and inflammation. It has alfalfa powder, which contains vitamin A, C, and E, and K, and it's paraben-free, alcohol-free, fragrance-free. So that's good if you have sensitive skin. It also says that the enzyme exfoliant helps to maintain proper pH balance, which is really good too, because just like anything in your body, if your pH is messed up, everything's messed up. And also it says that it gives you a very nice glow. So I'm excited to see the glow. So far we've had it on for 4 minutes. The one thing that I would say I was worried about is I was scared that the enzymes would actually like hurt. I know that sounds funny, but I thought that they were gonna kind of like burn because they're taking off, they're exfoliating the top part of your skin. So I was like, oh, is that gonna hurt? Is that gonna like Is that gonna burn? It doesn't at all. It has menthol in it, and honestly, you can definitely feel the menthol, like it feels nice and cold. So it's been just about 5 minutes. So this is the least amount of time, ooh, banging into stuff. This is the least amount of time you can have the mask on for. You can see it is sort of drying, but I'm gonna leave it on for another 5 minutes. It kind of looks like I have baby food on my face. And I'd rather have the baby food look than something that has like artificial colors in it, which you never really know how that's gonna go on your skin. I'm not bothered by it. So some other stuff it says is it evens out skin tone for a smooth, improved texture, helps reduce dark spots. And then also it says it's recommended that you use it 3 times a week. And even though this is such a little jar, it actually says that 3 times a week, every week, you would have 33 to 35 uses, which is like, that's great. Like, that's a lot of uses. So I'm excited about that too. It seems like a really good product. So on their website, and I'll have that listed below, you can actually get a sample size, which is 2 uses for free, which is amazing. If you want to get the jar that I have, it's $49. We just about hit the 10-minute mark, so I'm gonna rinse this off. So I basically have to rinse this off in the sink. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm just gonna lightly massage my face until I get it all off. Probably use a little washcloth to help in case this is thick. And it's mostly dry everywhere. It's a little wet in some spots, but it's mostly dry. So I'll be back in a second. So it's been about an hour since I did this. My hair looks atrocious, I know. So I waited an hour because when I first took this off, my skin was a little bit like red, but it's actually calmed down a lot. That's just something that happens to me personally whenever I use anything new, even makeup wipes. My face can get very, very red right after. So I wanted to wait an hour to see if it calmed down, and it did calm down. Bring you guys a little bit closer. I actually think that my skin looks more hydrated and less dry. My pores don't look significantly smaller, but they definitely do look better. They look like not as angry. So this is my first time using it, so I wasn't expecting like crazy results. Sorry, I just cannot sit on the floor anymore. I'm like such an old lady. So I wasn't expecting like crazy results, like every single one of my acne scars to be gone or my pores to be invisible, but it really does look better. And also they were right about the glow. You really do have a nice glow. In fact, I didn't even tell my mom that I was using this, and I walked past her and she was like, your skin is like glowing. So it's definitely like a very nice glow that it gives your skin. So my advice to you is if you use this product and you have extremely sensitive skin like me, and you take off this mask and you notice your skin is like a little bit red, just give it like a little while to calm down, and I assure you it's gonna look better, it's gonna look glowy. I will be using this product again, and I will be updating my results on Snapchat. And one thing which I don't think you can see, but I can definitely feel, my skin feels really hydrated and like baby soft. It's super smooth, and I wasn't expecting that. I thought my skin, if anything, would feel like a little, I don't know why I thought it would feel a little like rough or dry, but it feels so like smooth and so soft. So I'm so happy with that. So yeah, I'll definitely be using Divulge Beauty, this enzyme mask again. I will be updating you guys, so make sure to look out for that. I will have all links for this in the description, so make sure to check that out as well. And as always, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and just comment if you want to see something else. Bye beauties, love you.